Hello, wonderful people. Wherever you are on the earth plane, the light in me bows to the highest in you. आप सबको मेरा तहे दिल से नमस्कार. The word human is made up of two components. You means light, and man comes from the Sanskrit word manas, meaning the mind. So we are essentially a combination of the light and the mind. And that is how we are a complete whole human being. Our weekly activations are an endeavor to move over our lower mind and move into the higher mind or connect with the higher self so that we can come more in alignment with the light within our own selves. So, the tarot is actually a tool which is used in many different ways. There are a lot of people that use it as a tool of divination. What we essentially do in our weekly activations, we don't use it as a tool to foretell the energies or to predict the future. Rather, we are just connecting to understand what energies are coming through so that we can evolve and we can become a better person. And coming from that place, it actually starts helping us be the divine self that we were always created to be. So, having said that, let's connect and see what this week has in store for us. I invite you to take a couple of deep breaths, empty yourself of whatever it is that you have been carrying thus far. Just carve out this little time to connect with your own deeper self, your inner knowingness. Let that come to the surface. May this activation inspire you. May it bring subtle changes in your being so that you can come through from the crutches of the lower mind, moving into your higher mind very seamlessly. Connecting with the higher selves of the collective energies, the collective beings. Spirit, please reveal what is it that we need to know about this coming week. What are the energies likely to be? What could be our potential challenges? And what will be our gift that will support us move through effortlessly? Empty yourself of whatever thoughts that you have regarding the future or the past coming up right now. So let's see what's in store. So, the energy of the week is the Eight of Pentacles. The message that I'm getting through is this week is going to ask us to move further down into the details of our life and start working on our skills. What are the skill sets that are important for us in our relationships, at our workplace? This coming week is going to say that we need to just simply connect and keep perfecting our craft, keep working on the skill set. It shows that whatever work we've been doing since the beginning of the year, the Vedic calendar, until now, we have made some sort of progress. There have been weeks which have really helped us bring some sort of a foundation into our life, and that is something that is going to keep us restored, and it is like a little saving for the future as well. That is something that we have for sure pocketed in our lives. And with that little knowingness, we are now slowly accruing or building on to the skills in our life that make us a more holistic human being, that make us a better person. And by doing this week is going to allow us to connect with infinite abundance. And that abundance is only going to come when we connect with our inner knowingness, trying to work with the details. We have worked with some major issues in the past, and now being aware of those patterns, can we use this coming week to go into the nuances of things, things that will help us chisel our own being, that will make us a more rounded human being for that matter. This is going to be a week to stay focused on our work, our self work. It is not going to be a week to stay scattered or be focused outwardly, because the energies are such that are really going to help us come into more and more alignment. Also, the portal of 21st June is a very auspicious time that is going to help us keep moving into those energies of alignment further. So, if there's any sort of a detox that you've been planning, I am tapping into the message that a lot of us have been planning to go on some sort of a detox, which could be a detox related to technology. It could be a detox related to just cleansing our diet or whatever, a silence fast, maybe, all of these things that are coming up this week is going to be extremely supportive for us to do that, because whatever we choose to do is going to bring us to that point of infinite abundance, which is definitely going to make a very fruitful future for ourselves. And what is likely to be a challenge, if that is what I may ask? The challenge is the Six of Wands. So, actually, the message that I'm coming through is that as long as you just keep moving with the momentum, we don't stop at wherever it is that we are in our life journey, we will come to a point of victory. We will definitely become victorious. I'm getting a message that there could be some small amounts of dilemma coming up, some small amounts of conflict or confusion coming to the surface as we keep doing our inner work. But while that really happens, the more we try and keep coming back to the flow, we try and bring back that coordination by staying aligned to the truth of our values that had come up during the new moon, we are certainly going to keep marching forward victoriously. This card is trying to say that we might feel a little lazy in terms of coming to a point of action, but we should not really do that, and we should take the action that is necessary, and that is definitely going to bring us success and victory in the coming week. And what our friends is going to be of support to us, the Ace of Wands. So the universe is trying to tell us that use this week as a new beginning. It's clearly telling us that there is so much benevolence in the cosmic energies right now, that spirit is supporting us to make beginnings, to get started with new things. Whatever new ideas you have, new passions you have, if you have some ambition, something that you've been holding deep inside your heart to get started with, please know that you have the blessings of the Creator to use this coming week to at least, start sowing the seeds, keep working on it a little by little. All the intention setting and harboring those passions in the past was like tilling the land, tilling the soil for you to actually sow the seed. And with your intentions, you've sown those seeds. And now is the time for sunlight and water. And that happens cosmically as well as with human action. So we have to take action. If we are going to step back and we are going to be reluctant of pursuing what our heart and our gut really wants us to pursue, we are going to find ourselves being more in resistance. We are going to find being stuck in that cycle of stagnation. So if we have to make progress, we have to take that first step. This particular week is going to be extremely useful for that. So what are the thoughts or the intentions that I had brought forth for the new moon, which was a week ago? And now that I have worked on the plane of my thoughts for 1 week, this week is the week for me to actually take physical action. So, if you had any intentions or any plans around your physical health, this is the week now to actually take baby steps, and you are going to be rewarded big time. This is going to be a very productive and a very fruitful future, the beginning that is being made in this particular week. So, the more we are going to hone our craft, the more we are going to work on bringing more light into our lives by working on our skill set, the more victorious we are really going to be. It is not a time to feel deterred by some dilemma or some confusion that has been there, but rather to keep moving forward and keep moving forward, staying connected to our spirit or staying connected to our intentions. Because while we are going to keep moving in alignment, we are definitely going to have taste of that victory, the first fruits. And this week certainly is very supportive for making those new starts. Has there been a new book that you've been planning on reading, or a course that you've been planning on embarking, or an exercise regime that you've been planning on embracing, or a more cleaner diet plan for your family? Then this is the week to take action and bring that into fruition, because whatever we are creating in the coming week is going to really be of help for the rest of the year. We are 2.5 months into the Vedic calendar, and we have about 9 or 9.5 months to go through, and these things are certainly going to help us in that. So to recap our message in Hindi, आने वाले हफ्ते में हमें अपने स्किल सेट पे काम करना होगा. जो चीजें हमें अपनी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ानी है, उसके लिए ये वीक बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छी है. क्या आप कोई एक नई कला के साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं, अपनी जिंदगी में किसी नए जगह पर हैं और कोई नए टूल्स सीख रहे हैं, तो आने वाले वीक में आपको अपने ऊपर काम करना है, अपने स्किल सेट पे काम करना है, अपने टूल्स के साथ काम करना है, अपने आप को पॉलिश करना है. हमको ये वीक में एक्शन लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा. हम सिर्फ अपने ख्यालों में या अपने पैशंस के बारे में सोच कर बिना कुछ एक्शन लिए अपनी ज़िंदगी में आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं. तो अगर जो भी कोई कंफ्यूजन हो, कोई डिलेमा हो, किसी से बात कर उसे तुरंत क्लियर कीजिए और उस एनर्जी को आगे बढ़ने में अपनी सहायता में कैसे ला सकते हैं, इसका जरिया ढूंढिए. और ये हमें क्यों करना है? इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा क्या हमारा गिफ्ट है, फ़ायदा ये है कि ये वीक की जो एनर्जीज हैं ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कुदरती सपोर्टिव है। हमें कुछ भी अपनी ज़िंदगी में जो भी नया शुरू करना है, वो एक नया प्रोजेक्ट हो सकता है काम में, एक नया नज़रिया हो सकता है अपनी तंदुरुस्ती के लिए, एक नया एक्शन हो सकता है जो हम लेना चाहते हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में, अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में ज़्यादा सफल बनने के लिए। तो जो कुछ भी है इस आने वाले हफ्ते को आप एक नई शुरुआत मान के चलिए, और ऐसी शुरुआत जहां पर कुदरती एनर्जीज या ऊर्जा इतनी अच्छी है कि आप उसमें जो भी करेंगे वो उसमें आप समर्थ रहेंगे, और जो भी हम चेंजेस अपनी वीक में लाएंगे ये वीक में, वो साल भर हमें बहुत ज्यादा फायदा लेकर आएंगे। So friends, I hope you've been enjoying bringing in the energies, trying to reflect where you can work with these energies, how you can become a better version of who you are. And if these messages are resonating, I request you to please comment, like, and subscribe, because that is how the YouTube algorithm works. The more there is activity on this activation, the more it will come up on the list of people who want to tune into the message and who can really benefit out of the message. And thus, we will be moving towards a collective consciousness that is focused on making progress in life in an aligned manner, making this planet a very beautiful place for all of us to cohabit. I wish you the most rewarding week ahead. Namaste.